Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this Maleficent look. Thank you guys for tuning in. So I start by mixing the green and white from my pink palette that I got from Amazon. And I'm putting it all over my face with the brush because I noticed it's easier to put it on my face with the brush and then go back on and stencil it with a stencil brush. And I'm taking some white mixed with a little bit of the green to highlight under my eyes and my nose. And this paint is very smooth and easy to work with. It's just like oil based, so you need like a oil to take it off. Like you can't just take it off with water. And I'm just highlighting my nose and yeah, the whole shebang. And this palette I think was $24 and it came with paint brushes. And again, it's from Amazon. I will go ahead and link that below. And this is the stencil brush that I stenciled out all the paint with. It's easier to use this brush and everything blends out easier and quicker. So now I'm going to set my face with this Derma Blend powder that I got from Ulta. So I'm going to use the Crayon Case Matte Book. I'm going to use this green to contour. And then I'm going to use this darkest brown to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to clean my eyebrows up with the concealer, well not concealer, the paint. The white paint that I used, the blend. And I'm just moving really fast. For whatever reason, I sped this up. So yeah, you see me cleaning my brows up now. So it's nice and neat. And then I went ahead and I wiped the paint off. And I'm putting the P. Louise paint in there. And using the eyeshadow from the matte book. And the eyeshadow from the Box of Crayons palette. To do this eye look. And I'm just blending that in. The P. Louise paint I used was Rumor 2. And now I'm using some glitter from NYX to go ahead and get that glitter drawn on, you know. I felt like this look needed some glitter, so I went ahead and added some little. And now I'm using the Jambalaya matte stick, liquid lipstick. It's matte from the Crayon Case. So this look was really fun to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys like these looks. If so, I will keep them coming even after Halloween because these are fun. Halloween did push me to come outside my box. So yeah. And now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and add my headpiece that I got from Amazon. I think it was like $10. And then the neck piece that I'm going to add as well, I got from Amazon for like $10 to $12. It's feathers, so pretty. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.